is an adventure. Food feral is an adventurer. She will climb the food chain with only fork in hand. She cooketh shrimp with rice and beef stew with yams. She liketh the lobster mixeth with the clams. She liketh you to subscribe so she can reacheth the grand. Oh my God, she is needing a fan.
Gloria, stick to the script.
I was just kidding. But what is a food feral?
It's an adventure, don't you read?
I actually thought the script was edible because I saw food feral written on the front of the page.
But why would you eat it?
But you say food feral is an adventure.
I did say that, didn't I?
Food feral is an adventure, so subscribe.
Good morning.
Hello, Roger. How was your night?
I am sure you heard.
Yes, I heard you and the missus.
I know we were loud, but she couldn't stop shouting.
Roger,
It's okay, you can come over and join.
you have a dirty, dirty mind.
No, Mrs. Jones. I meant you can come and join the Food Feral movement. By subscribing, you might see her smile.
Ooh, I heard it's an adventure.
Now, isn't that yummy? Food feral is an adventure. You should subscribe.
Yeah.